about what is happening in Parliament. There is a furor around PM Modi's absence and the explanation given by Om Birla. Now the opposition women MPs are claiming that PM Modi is fearful of opposition and he doesn't have the courage to face the opposition MPs. How do you see this statement coming from women MPs?
The Prime Minister has the courage to face the country. The Prime Minister has the courage to protect the country. And the opposition has absolutely nothing to give except false narratives. Do understand that when you are in Parliament, you should be discussing core issues of national security, national safety. You are only trying to tick mark and say when the Prime Minister is there and when not. When Rahul Gandhi is roaming all over the world, defaming India, when Parliament is on, you have chosen not to speak on that. Please, let's not play double standards.
I mean, what about the bring no confidence motion against Om Birla, Lok Sabha Speaker? What do you have to say about that? What does it say about their policy?
The opposition's insecurity is very evident. I mean, if you want to really discuss, then please discuss in Parliament. You have the leader of opposition citing examples from a book, and the parliamentary rules say that any book which is not published, you cannot even quote from. So this is the kind of game they play, and I think the time has come for the entire country to counter the Congress party, and that day is not very far.
And you have already mentioned about there's a row has erupted over the book. What do you have to say the way it is being used by the opposition, the book, and and it is being quoted, ma'am?
The government is absolutely right, because citing parliamentary rules that prohibit the discussion of any unpublished work is a given. When the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said that there are issues in this book that could harm national security, should you not respect that? And what has Mr. Rahul Gandhi tried to do? He has tried to quote from a magazine article and suggesting that it's excerpts from a book. Please understand, this standoff is nothing but truth versus false rumor mongering, and the Congress party seems to be the victor of all the trophies when it comes to false narratives.